Okay, in today's lesson, we are going to learn about common denominators. So before we've been adding and subtracting using our fraction tiles, but now we're going to learn how to add and subtract fractions without a model. And the first thing we're going to have to do is find a common denominator of our two fractions so we can add the fractions together. So let's take a look at how to do this. Okay, so we're going to take a look at our problem for today. And it says, Sarah planted two 1-acre gardens. One had 3 sections of flowers, and the other had 4 sections of flowers. She plans to divide both gardens into more sections so they have the same number of equal-sized sections. How many sections will each garden have? That's our question. How many sections will each garden have? And we know that one of them has 3 sections and one of them has 4 sections. Okay, and our little hint, it says you can use a common denominator. Remember, just like we found common factors and common multiples, some denominators that are alike, or a common multiple, so you can use the word either way, to find 2 or more denominators to write fractions that name the same part of a whole. So let's look at our first way to solve this. So here we have a picture of each of her gardens. One was broken into 3 sections, and one was broken into 4 sections. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide each third into 4. So here I'm going to, because this one has 4 and this one has 3, we're going to have equal amounts. So this one I'm going to break into 4 pieces, and then I'm going to break each of these fourths into 3 pieces. Ugh, pretend they're even, all right? Now, when I go to count them, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 over here. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 over here. So both gardens will have 12 sections. Okay? So over here it says we could just multiply the denominators. We have this, each of these is into thirds, and each of these is into fourths, and 3 times 4 is 12. So a common denominator of 1/3 and 1/4 is 12. So we can write 1/3 and 1/4 as equivalent fractions using a common denominator. So if I wanted to change 1/3 so that it equaled 12ths, I need to think to myself, well, what do I multiply 3 by to get to 12? Well, that's 3 times 4 makes 12. I have to multiply my numerator by the same number times 4, which gives me 4/12. And look, even over here, when I broke it, I have 4 of my 12ths is the same as 1 of the thirds. If this is 1/3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 12ths is the same. And same thing over here. I want to change my 1/4, so they're equal to 12ths. I'm going to think, well, what times 4 makes 12? 4 times 3 makes 12. So I'm going to multiply the same thing by my numerator times 3. 1 times 3 is 3. So look, 1/4, this is 1/4 of the garden. And yes, it's the same as 1, 2, 3 of the 12ths, 3/12. So 1/4 and 1/3 can both be written as 12. Oh my gosh, I'm not even showing you the picture. So 4/12 is the same as 1/3. 3/12 is the same as 1/4. So now we have 2 fractions with the same denominator. Okay, the 2 fractions with the same denominator. In our next video, we're going to learn how to find this without the model. Okay,